Hiccups, those unexpected hic sounds, happen because of a muscle called the diaphragm. The diaphragm is crucial for breathing, as it pulls down when we inhale and pushes up when we exhale. Sometimes, the diaphragm suddenly contracts or tightens involuntarily, causing us to take a quick breath in. When this fast breath comes in, it can make our vocal cords close, leading to the characteristic hiccup sound. Hiccups can be caused by various things, like eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or even sudden excitement. They usually go away on their own, but when they last longer or become bothersome, you might want to try stopping them. An effective way to stop hiccups is to try tricks that help regulate your breathing and calm the diaphragm. Some common methods include drinking a glass of water quickly, which can interrupt the hiccup pattern and reset your breathing. Holding your breath for a short time or gently breathing into a paper bag can also help. These actions might change the rhythm of your breathing and relax the diaphragm muscle, stopping the hiccups. Remember, everyone's body is a bit different, so while these tricks usually work, there might be times when hiccups just need a bit more time to go away. If hiccups persist for an unusually long time or happen very often, it's a good idea to talk to a doctor, as they can sometimes be a sign of an underlying medical issue.